In ancient times, no matter what the east and west, the earliest washing ingredients were nothing more than sodium carbonate and potassium carbonate. The former is a natural lake mineral product, and the latter is the main washing component of grass ash. The invention of soap was rumored to be a Phoenician on the eastern shore of the Mediterranean. According to legend, a Phoenician chef in the ancient Egyptian palace in the 7th century BC may have been the inventor of soap. Reliable source. Closing square bracket. The chef did not intend to overturn a can of cooking oil in order to avoid being discovered by others. He covered the ash in the stove and took the oily ash to the outside and threw it away. In order to wash his dirty hands, he put his hands in the water. It was found that only a few swats were used, and the greasy hands were washed away, and even the oil dirt was washed away. The chef then let other chefs wash their hands with this substance and found that they washed their hands more cleanly. Later, the pharaoh knew the secret and asked the chef to make some oily ash for him to wash his hands. However, according to archaeological findings so far, soap-like items can be traced back to the Babylonian in the 29th century BC. Opening square bracket. In the 23rd century BC, a soap formula consisting of water, alkali and cinnamon oil was recorded on the mudboard of Babylon. Edwin Smith's papers show that the ancient Egyptians used the animal, vegetable oil and alkaline salts to create soaps for regular bathing in. The 15th century BC. Although soap was invented early, block soap was a luxury and was not widely used by the general public until the 19th century.